Excuse me. Do you know if you do you know how to remix a hip hop song? This morning I got a message from a Patreon saying, you should make a video on how to remix a rap song. I'll rip 10 tequila shots if you do. Okay. So I'm gonna go on the internet and download all of these different versions of the song, like the acapella, like the instrumental, the original, every single version I can get my hands on. The way I look at remixes is that you take the elements from the song and put them in different places and mix it up. You remix it. Where do we want to take the song? How do we want to remix it? It's been exactly 3 hours, and this is what I got. So what I did to that sound, I just pitched it down and I added a limiter, delay, reverb, another limiter, and a phaser. This pretty much squashed the sound and it just made it sound super. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. So for the vocals in the intro, I just added a bunch of reverb and a parametric EQ. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. And now in the middle of the intro, I brought in the drums, and these drums are basically just following the original, but the sounds are actually from Hybrid Bass Volume 2. And these are actually coming in with a low pass filter that's. This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a clock. My God told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. And that impact that you hear is also from Hybrid Bass Volume 2, but what I've done is I just pitched it down, and I've also turned the mod X down, so it's like. If I ain't enough, look at the top. It's safe to say I earned it, ain't a nigga gave me. So for the build-up, I wanted to completely change the mood, so I actually turned off both the reverb and delays and shit on the vocals, and then I've also looped the beginning of the guitar sample, so it just keeps playing that first part. And then I added this snare groove. It's safe to say I earned it, ain't a nigga gave me nothing. On the next part, I just dragged in more effects and snares from my pack and also turned up the pitch of the guitar sample. And at the very end of the build-up, I've actually reversed the impact that we used earlier. Know you heard me say you play, you late, don't make me push the button. Full of pain, dropped enough tears to fill up a fucking fuck. Going for buggers, I bought a chopper, I got a big drum to hold a money. Going for nothing, ready to air it out on all the niggas, I can see them running. Started my running, she hit me on FaceTime, just to check up on me and my brother. Really the pay, she know that the youngest son was always irritated to get them. Okay, let's go, 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 go. The most important part is that whatever you're making brings a fucking smile to your face. Obviously, it's not like the cleanest thing of all time. So in the vocals, it says, always guaranteed to get the money. I just added a cash register sound. And then I also decided to put a gunshot reload because why not? It sounds cool. And that is accompanied by an 808 for my pack. And the bass line is pretty much just following the same bass line as the original one. At least I think. The drums are also exactly like the original one, just using my drum. Finally, you have some white noise. Now you might be wondering, what are you doing with that go, 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 go? How are you making it fucking go, go, go? Super easy. That's actually just this free plugin. It's called Frequency Shifter by Full Bucket. This is basically what it does. I got a big drum to hold 100. Going for that, ready to air it out on all the niggas. I can see a brother just talking my mom. She hit me on FaceTime just to check up on me and my brother. And so I've automated it to go down. Okay, let's go, 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 go. As far as any other effects on this, it's really just my Bright Rack, an effector. For this part, I just pretty much grabbed the go part and I recorded it with Edison, dragged it back into the playlist, pretty much repeating the same thing, one little half a beat over and pitched up. So now I gotta find out if Ivanichi's gonna take 10 shots. I hope to get a video of you taking 10 shots of tequila. I will take half of them. You take 5, I take 5, and then I'll try to finish this song after the 5 shots. I'm gonna be fucking drunk, but hey, it might be a fun video. Subscribe for more shit like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.